Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and in today's video we're going to go a little bit more in depth on Vyne Therapeutics, their recent reverse split, which was 4-1, why that even matters, what is going to happen with this company, and what does that mean for you and me as investors. So also today, this company was not able to be traded on Robinhood or really any platform at the moment. And if you stick to the end, I'll tell you exactly why that happened and how this suspension will be over within a matter of days. So, Vyne Therapeutics. This company was trading at the $2.50 mark. On Friday, it just hit about $3. If you guys are new to the channel, I've been talking about Vyne Therapeutics for the last couple of weeks. How they had FDA approval on a new medicine, and how they were going to do a reverse stock split upcoming. Now, what does that mean? Well, this means basically, if we go into it, that the reverse stock split was effective today. It was down about 5%. Now, the company was approved for a reverse stock split at a ratio of 1-for-4. So for every 4 shares that you own, you would get 1 for equal value. Now, once effective, the reverse stock split will reduce the number of common shares issued and outstanding from 205 million to only 51 million. And I believe this was the biggest reason to do this. Now, not only that, but it takes this company out of the penny stock range, which has the potential of being delisted. Now, if we go to the next article here, it talks about pros and cons of a reverse stock company. Now, one of the pros is attracting investors like me and you. It's a great benefit because it gives a perception that the company stock has increased in value. Because the share price increases, it may look more attractive to investors. As a result, more money gets invested into the company. No one likes to invest in penny stocks. I certainly am a big skeptic on investing in companies that have really a less than $10 share price. But this company definitely has potential. Now, another reason why they could do a reverse stock split is to prevent the company from getting removed from the stock exchange, or really being delisted to where it's not going to be traded. Now, a lot of you right now today watching this video are wondering, well, what does that mean? It's saying that it's not tradable today, but that does not mean it's delisted. Now, all that means is, I pulled up another article here, and it says, why are some stocks suddenly unavailable to trade? Well, it could happen because of a change which makes it unavailable for trading. Now, one of these conditions, and now this company actually has 2 conditions on why it wasn't traded today. The first condition was that it changed its CSIP name, which I had a picture of it on here somewhere. But basically, they're changing a name, so therefore you can't trade it until that happens on a corporate level. Now, the second reason, and of course the more common reason, is that it had to do the reverse split. Now, the reverse split means generally we'll spend 1 to 2 days in a suspension for the account to basically work. So, with that said, this company will be able to actively trade again by, I would say, Thursday. If not Thursday, then definitely on Friday. Now, what does that mean for investors? Well, Vyne Therapeutics actually got a buy rating from Northland Securities, and they have a price target of about $12. Well, it closed today at $10.12. So there's a potential to get back to that $12 mark. As you can see, I have 8 shares myself at $11.33. So if we push it to $12 with my 8 shares, it'll be 70 cents a share. It's not going to be a heck of a lot of money. But for everyone out there who's chasing that gold mine, this company is a 4-star analyst with an average return of 6.6, and they are focusing on one of these companies. Now, currently the analyst's consensus on Vyne Therapeutics is a strong buy with an average price target of $7.50, which obviously it's 28% downside from the current level. But in a report issued on Friday by H.C. Wainwright, also reiterated a buy rating on the target with a $3.50 price target. So it's very interesting because this company has 1 year high of $5.84 and a 1 year low of $1. Currently, Vyne Therapeutics had an average volume of 7 million. So there's definitely people that are getting interested and catching wind of this biopharmaceutical company, which is pretty interesting. Let's go over to Webull and look at some of the charts. As you can see on the 3-month chart, it was only trading at the dollar level, $1.56 level. Again, like I said on Friday, it did go up to a $3 level. Lots of volume here as it was going up, and then the volume here just spiked like crazy starting about 11:30. Now, the 1-day chart shows that it went up as well. From about the 262 mark here, it looked like it was at all the way up to the $11.20 mark, and then down, and now it's fluctuating at the $10.12 mark. It is super high on the MACD indicator, way overbought on the RSI, but that does not mean it's not going to go up even more. Now, I believe this company can go up to $22 very easily, maybe within the next year or so. If you look at the analysis here, they are showing a buy based on 7 analysts, a current price of $10.12 with a high price target of 10, which is going to change to a current price to a target price of 12. And then, as you can see here, their support and resistance levels are just blown skyrocket out of the park. Like, their resistance level was at 456, support 170, close was at 1260. So pretty amazing there on what they're doing. Now, institutional holdings looks like 48% owned, shares 91 million, and again, they are trying to get rid of some of those shares, bringing down from 205 million to 51 million. So that's pretty awesome. I'm sure a lot of these numbers are going to change in the next couple of days. I'm going to kind of reevaluate where everything is, and yeah, I'm interested to see where this company is going to go. I believe it's going to go up to like a $20 mark, like I said, and it's going to be good. This company does need it. It needs to get out of that penny stock range so that it doesn't get delisted, but at the same time be able to potentially get more people to invest in their company as well. Just pretty awesome. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like and a comment down below. For everyone still watching that are interested, the ticker symbol will still be Vyne, or VYNE, but they will have a new CUSIP number, which is displayed below. But subscribe to my channel if you like stuff like this, all things stocks and finance, and how to make more money work for you to make even more money. So, guys, have a